Hi guys, it's Becky, and I just wanted to do a real quick Beebeecraft unboxing. I didn't get like a huge haul, but I did get a few things, and I just wanted to open this up to show you what I got. And Beebeecraft is a e-commerce website where they have mostly crafting things. You'll find a lot of jewelry making items and scrapbooking things and other crafty goody things. I'm concentrating on jewelry making things. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple of things from their site that I wanted to make some things with this holiday season. And obviously, of course, I had to get myself a Sunnyclue kit because I love Sunnyclue kits. They are fantastic little kits with everything that you need to make some earrings, and it's multiple pairs of earrings with it. They make great gifts. They are a fantastic thing to do just maybe as a fun activity with some kids or something like that. It's really, really fun to use these Sunnyclue kits, and I'll open this up in a minute. But I also found that Beebeecraft carries Miyuki Delicas. They have other types of seed beads that are available there too. Looks like this is going to need to be cut open. But I got a couple of different colors of Delicas. Come on, buddy. Wow, that was tough. But I got this kind of icy blue color with like an AB finish. And this one came in a tube. I got a lighter blue color. And these are 11O Delicas. And I got these to use with this. This is from Craft, and it is a set of things. They're gold components and connectors. So you've got some of these. Could probably do some wire wrapping maybe a little bit of bead weaving. Could have them be parts of earrings. Where's the... Hold on. This might not be what I ordered, because I had ordered one that had these round things, but they weren't stars like this. They were snowflakes. I had ordered a snowflake one. This wasn't what I ordered. I wanted to do snowflake earrings with the seed beads, but I guess I could make some things with these too. But there's several of these components. This is definitely not what I ordered. Okay. Well, that's fine. I'll put a link to what I did order in the description so you can see what I wanted to make with this, but I already had some star ones like this, so I didn't need to get more of these. They sent the wrong thing, which is fine. I'll see if I can get the others. But yeah, it's usually very inexpensive jewelry making components. A lot of the same things that you can find on Amazon, and maybe I'll find the ones that I wanted on Amazon, because it does take a while for it to ship from China. So that is the only bad thing about, the only thing that I could probably complain about, except for, not getting the thing I ordered. It's fine. Okay. I'll look it up and see where the disconnect happened with that. But I wanted it was like these, with snowflakes instead of stars. And I wanted to do just some stuff with some of the delicas on that. It's okay. I will figure it out how I can make that project, even though it's not what I wanted. And then because I have started getting into stretch bracelets more, I grabbed some stretchy stretch thread instead of stretch cord. So I got some of this. Let's see. I don't know what the... It was a while ago, so I can't remember exactly. But I'll put a link to this in the description as well. I'll put a link to each of the things that I'm unboxing. I'm gonna have to find this because, again, that's not what I ordered, so I'm gonna have to find that link separately in order to find it if you wanted to get some of these. All right, but let's open up the Sunnyclue kit because I love the Sunnyclue kits. I think they are super fun. And I'll plan a day where we just open up this kit and make some Christmassy earrings. And maybe it'll be further into December that I do that, because I am probably not going to be done making Christmas things for a while. All right, here we go. So this is the Sunnyclue kit. Let's just open it up so we can see. And again, it comes with like everything that you need. These are eye pins and head pins. Comes with ear wires. Comes with the different components in order to make things. And it looks like we've got some chain and jump rings over here. Got different sizes of beads. Some rings. Some charms. Some little jingle bell charms, bow charms. You've got all sorts of other charms and doodads, dangles. You've got these mittens and Santas and trees. And there looks like most of them are enameled. And then we've got some, it looks like, bells and snowflakes. Yeah, bells and snowflakes. And more Santa hats, more trees. So it's entirely possible that I might take this with me when I go to my sister's house and with my mom and my sister, and we'll just make some earrings together. And I'll probably substitute my own ear wires because I don't think that these will work for my sister's ears, but the other components should be just fine. But I know my handmade ear wires are just fine for her ears. But another thing that you get with these Sunnyclue kits is a instruction sheet. Yeah, we're gonna just have an earring making party together when I open this up. You get little suggestions. You don't have to follow them exactly. You can do them any way you want. But, you know, they'll tell you some of the different ways that you could make some earrings. So, you know, you might stack some of these guys and then put your Santas on top, bottom. You might add a little star as well as a bead. You could do little circles around your trees with something on the bottom. You could just have some pearls with a little star on it. But it gives you a few other instructions, like add the beads to the eye pin, bend it over the top, cut off the extra before you do that, use the round nose pliers to make a loop. Basically, sort of instructions on how to make them and how to put them together. They only give you instructions for one of the suggested pairs of earrings, but they give you enough that you can make several different pairs of earrings. And they're just examples, but you can make it however you want. So yeah, I think this is going to be a fun activity for me and the family when we get everything all together for that Sunnyclue kit. So I'm pretty happy with this Sunnyclue kit. I'm excited to try out this stretch cord, and I was excited about the Delicas because they were a really decent price. But I just wish that the components that I had ordered were what were delivered, because it means that I'm not going to be able to do what I wanted to make with it. I'd have to come up with a totally different project. Anyway, this is my Beebeecraft order. Hey, just jumping back on here to let you know that I went back and looked at my purchase history, and the photo next to the listing shows snowflake charm cutouts. That's not the product. It's not in the box. And the similar product listing for, the SKU and all that on Amazon shows this, but not the snowflakes. So it's probably just the wrong product photo next to the listing on Beebeecraft. But I did find, while I was looking there, some snowflake, round snowflake charms that I can bead around the edges so that I can actually do my project. And I have ordered those. So when they get here, I'll go ahead and do that project with y'all. Anyway, I just wanted to pop back on here after finding that out to let you know that it was just the product photo showed something that wasn't in there, and it's probably just an honest mistake on their part. But I did find something that the project that I was planning with these can still happen, and I am still planning on. I really think I'm bringing this to my sister's house when we do Christmas, and we will do a Christmas making video with me and my sister and my mom, and then you guys will get to hang out with us for that. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!